Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope everyone is fit and fine at their house. Let's start with our mathematics class. This is Sandhya Jadhav, your mathematics teacher. Today we are going to start chapter number 3. The name of the chapter is Integers. Students, look at this picture carefully. What you observe over here? See, there are the children playing. We can see trees, flowers, animals, clouds, etc. Okay, students? So, now I'll ask you questions. How many children are playing over here? How many trees are there? How many flowers are there? What is your answer? To give the answer, students, you have to count the objects. That is, you have to count the number of trees, you have to count flowers, children's, animals, etc. Okay, students? So, we need to count the things in the nature. So, that is why number have been created. So, numbers has been created. So, we can give the answers that there are 3 children in the garden. There are 6 trees, 2 animals in this way. Means what all these numbers? These all numbers are known as a natural numbers. So, we'll see the meaning of natural numbers. The counting numbers are known as a natural numbers. It starts from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. It is unlimited. Okay, students? Now we'll see the another example. See here. Ram has 10 chocolates and he has given all the 10 chocolates to Siva. Now, how many chocolates remains with Ram? It's very easy. The answer of this question is 0 chocolates remains with the Ram. Now, 0 is another number. The set of all the natural numbers and 0 is known as whole numbers. Okay, students? So, now we'll see the meaning of whole numbers. Natural numbers along with 0 are known as whole numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now we'll see the temperature. How we measure the temperature and how it is how it is written. See, temperature in Maharashtra is plus 10 degrees Celsius. It means it is above 10 degrees Celsius. When we put a plus sign before any number, the number of 10 is more than 0. It is called positive number. Now we'll see the next example, that temperature in Srinagar is minus 8 degrees Celsius. Means when we put a minus sign before any number, the number of 10 is less than 0. So it is called as a negative number. So we have seen the positive numbers and negative numbers. Now we'll see how it can be written. Now see here, the places are given and temperatures are given. First, Kashmir. The temperature of the Kashmir is 8 degrees Celsius below 0 degree. So how we can write this? Minus 8 degree Celsius. Goa. Temperature of the Goa is 10 degree Celsius below 0 degree. So we can write it as minus 10 degree Celsius. Temperature of Delhi is 30 degree Celsius above 0 degree. Above means plus 30 degree Celsius. Now temperature of Maharashtra is 25 degree Celsius above 0 degree. Above means plus. So we can write it as plus 25 degree Celsius. Understood, students? Now we'll see another example. Now see here, this is the thermometer. Students, you can see here above the number 0, there are positive numbers. Means there are the increasing numbers. And below 0, there are the negative numbers. So we can write the positive number as shown here. We can give the sign, plus sign below the numbers, or without sign also we can write the positive number. Negative number can be written by giving the minus sign before the number. See here, positive numbers are used to show height above the sea level, and negative numbers are used to show depth below the sea level. Okay, students? Now see here, as everyone is in 6th standard, okay, so your class is in the school. So class is a part of a school, and your school is located in a Chembur, and Chembur is in Mumbai city. Okay, so school is a part of city. Mumbai it is located in Maharashtra. It is located in Maharashtra state. So Mumbai is a part of the state, and Maharashtra is in India. Means Maharashtra is in our country. So students, all these are the part of our country. In the same way, we have the group of the numbers. So what it is called, we'll see now. See here, we have seen the natural numbers, whole numbers, negative numbers, and positive numbers. All this group of numbers is called as integers. So what is the meaning of integers? Positive numbers, 0, and negative numbers together forms a group of numbers is called the group of integers. Now, how we can show the numbers on number line? See here, student, the point on a number line which is marked 0 is called origin. Okay, and on the left and right of 0, you can see the points are marked at equal distances. The numbers shown by points on the right are positive numbers, and those shown by points on the left are negative numbers. In this way, we can show the integers on number line. I hope you have understood all these natural numbers, whole numbers, positive numbers, negative numbers, and integers. Okay, students? So this is all for today. We'll see you in next class. Thank you so much, children, and take care.